Juiced Bikes, based in San Diego, continues to make waves in the ever-evolving e-bike market, capturing the attention of enthusiasts and commuters alike with its latest edition, the Scrambler X2. Far from being just a means of transportation, this e-bike serves as a bold proclamation of style and power, all neatly packaged in an affordable bundle. The first thing that catches the eye about the Scrambler X2 is its appearance, a nod to classic motorbikes that instantly sets it apart. With a round LED headlight and a bench-style seat, the bike exudes a retro charm, while ensuring practicality through ample space for a comfortable riding experience. The exposed, minimalist frame, combined with race-inspired side covers, adds a touch of modernity to its overall unique aesthetic. However, the Scrambler X2 doesn't rely solely on its looks. It packs a serious punch under the hood. Sporting a robust 1000-watt motor nestled in the rear hub, this e-bike can achieve speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, providing riders with an exhilarating experience reminiscent of a mini motorbike. For those seeking a more relaxed pace, a thumb throttle limits the speed to 20 miles per hour. The bike's 52-volt 15.6 ampere-hour battery is a powerhouse, offering an impressive range of around 55 miles, although engaging in high-speed rides may reduce this range. One of the standout features of the Scrambler X2 is its off-road capabilities. Equipped with a triple tree front suspension fork, robust all-terrain tires, and hydraulic disc brakes both at the front and rear, this e-bike is ready for adventures that extend beyond the confines of city streets. The inclusion of an LCD instrument panel for real-time ride statistics, and a USB charging port for on-the-go device charging, adds an extra layer of practicality to the overall package. With an introductory price tag of $1,499, markedly lower than its retail price of $1,899, the Scrambler X2 from Juiced Bikes presents an enticing option for individuals in search of a high-performance, stylish e-bike without straining their budget. This aggressive pricing strategy makes a bold statement about Juiced Bike's commitment to making cutting-edge e-bike technology accessible to a broader audience. Priced attractively, the Scrambler X2 offers riders an opportunity to own a feature-rich e-bike without compromising on performance or style. At $1,499, it becomes a compelling choice for those who want to experience the thrill of cycling, combined with the convenience of electric mobility, all while staying within a reasonable budget. Juiced Bike CEO, Tor Harris, sees the Scrambler X2 as a disruptor in the e-bike market, seamlessly blending the excitement of e-biking with the practicality of daily commuting. It represents a daring approach to e-mobility, offering a combination of power, style, and safety to cater to a diverse range of riders. With its retro aesthetics, robust performance, and off-road capabilities, the Scrambler X2 is poised to make a lasting impression on e-bike enthusiasts and commuters alike. Would you purchase such a bike for yourself? Write your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and God bless you.